Hi lovelies, it's Jenny. Welcome back. In today's video I'm talking about the beauty world's latest explosion. It is the Revolution Glow range. Okay, so this is their ultra matte bronzer and everyone's been talking about it. I've managed to grab one in the colour medium, and in this video I'm going to talk you guys through my swatch, show you how it applies, and just talk about whether it's worth the hype or not. Okay, so this is what it looks like out of the box. Okay, so I'm taking a fluffy brush, whatever brush you prefer, it doesn't really matter, and I'm tapping onto the product, and I haven't put any concealer, and I'm just brushing that on. First impressions there, really good, although I feel like I need to work the product in quite a bit and like keep going back into it. It gives me like a natural bronzy look. I've just done a little comparison of both sides. This side doesn't have anything, this side is just a little bit, and I'm just going to take a brush that I like to use for nose area whenever I'm trying to add a bit of definition, and I'm going to pop some onto my nose. Really gently up to my brow, bring it down, and you can see that change in definition. It gives it a nice shadow, but it's not as harsh as a contour would be. So if you need something that's quick every day, I feel like this is going to be a nice go-to. Sometimes you don't want that full highlighted contour chiseled look, and you just want something that brings a bit of colour and definition back into your face in a natural way, and I absolutely love this. As always, Revolution brand products are super affordable, but this colour is really flattering, so I've taken a medium and I'm really happy with it. Let me know what you guys think. It is a little bit chalky from where I've tapped on it, but that is expected, and I'm just going to do a quick skin swatch as well for you guys. Okay guys, and that's pretty much it. I just wanted this to be a quick demo, straight to the point, show you the product, tell you what I think, and show you a comparison of a side with the product and a side without the product choice. Until the next video guys, take care.